Hello everyone, this is Lolly. I'm doing my countdown videos to the Let's Get Creative Doodlebug Designs event, and it is this month, and it is very soon, like 9 days from now. So I'm going to show you what I'm packing to take. Now, I will confess that it's very hard for me to pack to go anywhere, especially to a creative event, because I just feel like I'm leaving something really important behind, and I'm afraid to do that. So I'll show you what I'm bringing. And this is probably going to be a long video, but I'll do it in segments and get through it instead of doing it in 2 parts. I'll put it all together. So first off, I just want to show you what I already have from Doodlebug, and that is these little mini paper clips. I love them. They are itty bitty tiny. Got lilac, tangerine, swimming pool, bumblebee, a cupcake, and lily white, and I adore these itty bitty paper clips. So I'm taking those as embellishments. Now, I had also chosen this collection called Hello, and you'll see that these are all new products that I'm showing right now. The paper clips I've used, so I'm see if I can get the glare off of that. This is their Hello paper pack. Let's see, doesn't say much other than that. Yeah, so it's the paper pack, and you can see it's got papers in it, it's got stickers, it's got alphabets, it's got embellishments, some ribbon, and some bling there. Very cute. They call them sprinkles. Very adorable. So I had chosen this as the theme to work with while I was there. And because I already have an account and can order for my shop, I had went ahead and pre-ordered these. There is a shop there, and I will still be buying from them there when I go. So here we go. And the other thing I got was this 12-inch paper pack. It's also Hello theme, but I love just being able to get the polka dots and the plaids and the varying designs. So that is paper. Let's see if I can move that because of the glare. And then I got this, which is called Icons Cardstock Stickers, also in the same collection. Mini Icon Stickers, same collection. And these are Shape Sprinkles, which are little enamel kind of stickers. Very, very cute. Kind of like a puffy sticker, but really, really strong. They're, instead of a puffy sticker, which can be squishy, these are hard. And also in stickers, I got their glitter sprinkles in 2 different colors. This is the Hello, and that's the Valentine, because I figured a lot of their colors work together even across different collections. And I ordered this Chit Chat, which is their cardstock. Here you go, right here. It's their cardstock cutouts there. So very, very cute. I ordered 2 rolls of washi, which is Ladybug. And then these little really cute kind of, there you go, cute little hearts there with a smiley face on them. This one is Happy Hearts, and this is Little Ladybugs. Now, I have an album of theirs to work on while I'm there. It's their 8-inch storybook album, and I got this color because it goes with the theme, and you can see from the pockets here, it comes with some. I added a few extras, so that should keep me pretty busy while I'm there. I also have my eye on some other things that I need to purchase while I'm there, but let me show you some other things that I'm packing as well. Okay, this is a great craft tote that I got from Hobby Lobby quite a while ago. Let me show you what's in it. It's kind of hard to get the whole thing on camera. So I have this ring here of washi on it. I just picked out some cutesy ones, and I'm going to put on there the 2 rolls I got from Doodlebug. And business cards there, because I pretty much always go with business cards. I see I have a pocket here that's ready to be stuffed. I have the Crocodile Punch and Eyelet Setter, my Crocodile Corner Rounder, and the Tim Holtz mini attacher, or tiny attacher. And I have the extra staples in one of the pockets. And over here I have my Memory Dex punch. I just brought basically my favorite edge punch, my 1-inch corner circle punch, and this was just a hole reinforcer. Love all those. I just grabbed my favorites of everything. Over here I have things knocking down. Over here I have my 2 favorite bone folders, and that's my one that says Lolly on it, and this one that is a Teflon one for burnishing. Have my mini metal ruler, tweezers for setting small embellishments, and my craft knife, my craft blade. On this pocket here, I have some of my paperclip blanks that are in my shop. So you can decorate, just make a decoration and glue it right onto that. I have my two fine point adhesive bottles. This has got art glitter glue in it, and this has glossy accents. I'll probably fill this up a little more before I go. Okay. This over here, I have this tape runner that is the Home & Hobby by 3L, and it's Easy Runner Grand. And I'm bringing this one because it's short and because it's full. And I got that when I went to Creativation and took the class, Glue Dots basically class. I have some embellishments here. Well, get it open. There we go. And these are they're flat back pearls from Queen & Company that I thought would pretty much go with everything. This is, I don't know why I'm bringing this, just because it's cute. Okay, next. I have more embellishments in here. I have some tags that are vellum. These are pockets, those clear vinyl pockets that you put on in a journal. More flat back pearls. I got some baker's twine in the blue and white and silver and white. If they have any there, I'll definitely pick some up because I was looking for a certain color and I don't have it. I've got some more flat back embellishments there. Some tiny tags here and here. And this kind here that are metal rimmed. So I figured that would probably be good for embellishments. I mean, obviously it's hard to limit myself, you know, on what I'm taking. I have a variety of foam mounting tapes, little bits and pieces here and there from different packages. So this is one there. I have a roll of foam tape. I have some double-sided tape. I think that's 1/2 inch. I have the, what is this, 1.5, 2 inch maybe. And then I also have these foam mounting squares, these tiny foam mounting squares, glue dots. Okay, this is just refills of staples and adhesive runners. Let me show you what else I have. Oops, the camera keeps moving. This is a miniature 31 tote that I've had for quite a while, and I use this for my Instax Mini 8 camera, and I thought this would be perfect to bring, because although I'm bringing some photos, I would also like to be able to take a photo right then and put that into my scrapbooking, you know, photos of the events, and this makes those adorable little mini ones, and there's the extra film, extra batteries. Okay, and I have a zipper pouch that I have put in there, some white cardstock and some white printer paper, just for some blank papers, because you always need those in your projects, right? Now, I also showed this in one of my thrift store hauls. It's a creative memory bag, and it holds 12-inch papers. And I just happen to also have this, which is Paper Plus Value Pack Bright Assortment from Doodlebug that I had gotten at Tuesday Morning quite a while ago. So that's coming with me. I did put some loose cardstock here and here that I thought were kind of bright and pretty. But I'm going to put all my Doodlebug 12-inch paper pads and all that in there that I have. Also, this is not packed yet, but we're having a masquerade party, and so I got me a superhero mask. I just glued some Swarovski crystals on there to give it a little extra bling. I'm also bringing this plastic tote because in here is where I'm putting my gifts that I have to people, to the hostess whose home I'm staying in, and also to the workers there and just to people I meet. And you'll notice that one of the things I had bought ahead of time was these jelly clips that also matched that particular Hello collection. And I have purchased several of the Doodlebug's digital images in the Silhouette Design Studio. So I cut a few of those out to take those with me. I have a set for me and a set for my hostess as well. So this is kind of like my little treat box there. Okay, next up is my Traveler's Notebook bag. I have this set up the way I always use it at home. So I'm thinking I might as well bring it. And I did find out that we are going to have a Traveler's Notebook class when we get there. And the theme of that, we could choose one of two Traveler's Notebooks, and one of them matches the Hello collection from Doodlebug. So I happen to have gotten the exact perfect papers. So in here, I always keep my, this is my, well, kind of like memory keeping, you know, journal, memory keeping, photos, everything in there. And so that's that Traveler's Notebook. This Traveler's Notebook is my business one where I write notes about my plans and come up with ideas. This is my personal one right now. And I have these gel markers by Zebra, Milk Colors. And these ones here, Stabilo. There's a whole lot of colors there to mess with. And these are a lot of embellishments and stickers, etc. right here. So this, move this aside. Well, on the side I have pens, pencils, markers, and some stickers and things like that. This one is my traveling art to go thing, and this one has everything I need to basically put things in my my mini notebook that has all of the ephemera embellishments and my photos and stuff in it, my timekeeping journal. So I have a little scissors, glue stick, markers, some washi, business cards and business cards that I've collected, and extra notebook to fill in there, and some stickers. So that's what that is, and that always stays in there. So I was thinking, since we're having a Traveler's Notebook class, maybe I need to bring my whole kit here in case there's something in here that I really want to use in the new notebook class. So that's that. Okay, on to the next one. So here I am in my living room. This ugly thing back there is the vintage wheelchair. You'll see that in the background. Not ugly, just vintage. So this is my rolling craft tote that I take to crops and craft classes. So it pretty much has a lot of things already in it that have been left there before. There's some cream color cardstock, and then I added to it what else I needed. So I have these kind of frosty color pencils for journaling. Oops, and they're falling out of the case. And I have a pencil case with a small ruler, eraser, pencil, and Sharpie markers. And then in these Velcro pouches, I have Project Life cards, 4x6 and 3x4. More business cards. I've got glue sticks down here, and nothing important there. There's no way I could get this on my craft table to video. That's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, and this side pocket here, I have put in more of those pockets that you get from Target, and they are labels, but you know, they're clear, and they're stickers, so you can use them in your projects. You can also make shakers out of them, and these ones are really long ones, and you can make bookmarks and shakers out of those. So I thought it'd be nice to pre-make some shakers and embellishments ahead of time. I know the view is getting really bad while I'm unzipping things. Okay, and a friend of mine had this made for me, little zipper pull. Okay, over here I have my scissors, and I leave these ones in my tote all the time, so they're designated for that. These are binder clips in here, and a pencil sharpener. Put those back in there. I'll just leave that unzipped for now. It wants to fall forward because it's not sitting right on its back wheels. Okay, and then inside here, I have one of these boxes of blank ATCs, and I thought if I could get a chance while I was there, one of the projects I'd like to do is get some more PassBook stamps made. I will leave you a link down below to what PassBooks are. And this, my friend is bringing a lot of sequins, and so I thought I would bring the unusual sequins. Let's see if I can focus. There we go. Isn't that cute? And then look at all these here. These are from Queen & Company, most of them. There's one or two that's like glass beads, but everything else here is Queen & Company mixes. So some of them are like little tiny diamonds, some are glass beads, and some are just mixes like that. So that will be to add to our shaker mixes. I'll have to put that in there later. It's hard to zip one-handed. Dig, dig, dig. I do have these blank card sets that I could add to if I wanted to make some cards. And I have 2 paper trimmers just because this one is so handy to keep on a table constantly and to trim little things. But for big projects, I did purchase this, my travel trimmer and scorer. So the back of it opens up, it unfolds right here and folds out to where it's sticking out over here. And then you use this bar for cutting, slide the blade, or for scoring, you would use this part right here. Flip this over and use this for scoring right there. And it does have a bone folder right there. And then these 2 pockets here. Oh, before I forget, I have my ruler up in here in the lid. Okay. Oh, and there's something. Nope, there's nothing in these pockets back there yet. I have these 2 31 bags. And what's in them? I have my tab punch board and my mini envelope punch board. That's in that bag. And in this one, oh, sorry about that, I have these 2 plastic cases. And this one, they're photo boxes. This one, whenever I do a swap and someone sends me extra die cuts or, you know, just a whole variety of ephemera, die cuts, ephemera, etc., I put it in here. And then when I'm going through and I'm working on my scrapbooks, I usually look in here to see if I can use any of these pieces in there. So that's really fun. And then here is my photo box. So you can see I'm not bringing a ton of photos, but plenty to work with. So that is what I have packing up in all of this. And the only other thing I'm thinking about is whether or not to bring my eyelets, because I do have an eyelet setter. So I will probably have to bring some eyelets, but I have so many I have to kind of work my way around that and figure out how to trim it down a little bit. So thank you for watching. I'm so excited and looking forward to going and just having the time away to be creative. I will be doing videos while there and hopefully some live ones as well. And I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for following along on this journey.